Good. So the idea here obviously is we're tensioning from the beginning of the movement, which is fine, but if you're behind that movement, that's when injuries can occur. It's when you're going to strain something or your posture is going to suffer. So think pinch shoulder blade start position, and then almost like you're trying to hug me, right? So I'm further away than you. Don't let your back come off the seat, but try to reach out for me as you pull it. And then on your way back, think shoulder blades pinch again. Right, so there's some movement of the shoulder blade with this one. Reach out, keep the back against the seat, chin down, and then shoulder blade squeeze on the way back. Go ahead. Reach out, reach, 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 reach. Keep your back. Good. Shoulder blades come together.